What's up, fellow Cremains? Here's how you can get the Shield of Bringing in Crimson Desert. Looking for a shield that bangs hard? Well, this one might work. The Shield of Bringing offers 5 defense with a level 2 attack speed bonus. It's got no Abyss gear slots, but its strength lies in its Deafening Retribution ability, where it sends out sound waves to stun enemies. You'll need to block 3 enemy attacks with it though if you run out of charges to regain a charge. Its downside, it's not repairable, so you'll need to use it wisely. This one's found at the heart of Demonis, between the letters M and second D of the label. It's inside the Laughing Marionette Circus just northwest of the city. When you get there, you'll first see the large blue and yellow tent. What we're looking for is the red striped tent on the left of the main one behind the merry-go-round. Just go inside said tent and you'll find the shield sitting on top of a table. Just pick it up, then it's all yours. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.